Yes, hello.
Good morning. Good morning. Behave. Sit. I'm with Logan right now, and I'm gonna show you one trick and one command which I like most with Logan. Itatapon ko ang bone ng chicken. Hindi gagalawin ni Logan, hindi niya kakainin without my command. And the command is dalawang click or dalawang clap. Ganon. You behave. You wait. You wait. You just sit and behave. Sit. Behave. There you go. Kahit na matagal, kahit na iwan ko siya, hindi siya kakain. Sa Ilonggo, hindi ka na pagkanon. You behave. Down. Foot. See? Sample lang yan. Up. Stand. Stop. Okay. You behave. Eto na. This is the chicken bone. Look at this. Chicken bone. I'm gonna throw this to Logan at sasabi ko sa iyo, hindi niya kakainin yan. Okay? Wait. Sit. Behave. Okay. Ito na lang. Dito na lang. Oh, ganyan, oh. Yan. Iwan ko siya. Hindi pa rin yan kakain until I say so or 2 clicks. Okay? Behave. That's it for today.